Hello viewers, our topic is how to use VoIP services with OnSIP in Odoo. So Odoo VoIP, what is Odoo VoIP? It allows to make calls to your customers from browser itself. So once your call queue is filled, you can select a phone number and call them. Then what is OnSIP? It is a complete business phone service delivered over the internet with no PBX hardware to manage. So that's about Odoo VoIP and OnSIP. Now how to use Odoo VoIP with OnSIP. First we need to install a module. We'll go to the apps and install a module VoIP OnSIP. See, I have already installed it. You need to install this module. After installation, then go to the settings. So after installing this module, you need to create an account. We need to use this Odoo VoIP with OnSIP. So first we need to create an account with OnSIP. This is the OnSIP page. We need to create an account here by clicking on Start Free. Create an account page will come. You can enter your details here and create an account. I have already created an account. This is my portal, so I will log into OnSIP. Password. So I have logged in. Now we'll go back to CRM, and in the settings go to general settings. In general settings we need to go to the integration section. Let the page load. Settings, general settings, then integrations. Integrations. So in this integrations there is a section asterisk VoIP. So here we need to enter the details. So in OnSIP domain, you need to enter the domain we chose when we created the account. My domain is this hala333.onsip.com. I'll enter that here. Then a WebSocket will be the same, and VoIP environment should be production. Then we'll save this. After that, after saving, we'll go to users and companies. In that, wait, page is loading. Then we'll go to users and companies. In that, go to users. So these are the users here. So we'll select a user. I'll select Michelle admin. In the for every users you should do this. In the opening the user section, we need to edit here. So we'll click on edit, and in the preference tab there is a VoIP configuration section. Here we need to enter this. You should do this for every users in your Odoo. So SIP login bar browsers extension. Here we need to enter the details from here. So in Hala Ali, the Odoo SIP username. See, Hala. My SIP username is Hala. I'll enter this here. That is my SIP login. So I'll enter Hala. Then the handset extension. Doing some error. By mistake I clicked on the signature. Okay, after entering SIP login, then the next section is handset extension. We'll go back to the users. Here my extension is 7001. I'll click on 7001 and I have already clicked. Then SIP password, again from users I'll copy this, and I'll enter here. Then OnSIP authorization user, that should be the auth username. Auth username is hala333. So I'll enter that also here and save this. So after doing this, you go back to users. In the Odoo, here see a call button came. As I have done this with my previous users, I have already got this. But if you are doing for the first time, after doing the VoIP configuration section of your users, icon will appear on the right top right of your Odoo. So now you can make phone calls by clicking the phone icon, but you must be sure that you're properly logged in as a user configured in Odoo and on SIP. You can also receive calls. The phone number will be the same provided by the users when you go to on SIP. See, this is the phone number. This will be the phone number in Odoo. So that's all. We will also it will also display notifications also. Okay, so that's all about how to use Odoo VoIP with Odoo with on SIP in Odoo. So thank you. Hope you all understood.